Hello guys, welcome back to Country Legends. Today we are back here, another brand new drone flight. We're in a nice area, Poplar, East London. Without further ado, I'm going to take off. We're just going to go to the max height and do 365. We can't go that high because we're at an altitude zone, 197 feet. So yeah, we can only be this high and the drone. So after this I'm going to stop recording. Alright, so the sun's coming back out, as you can see. Alright, so without further ado, let's start recording. We're just going to go a bit towards Canary Wharf, so let's fly around here. I'm just going to go a little bit closer. We're just going to stay around here. We're just going to get a shot of the DLR. As you can see, there's a DLR over here. I'm going to go towards Canary Wharf. We're not going to go that close. Maybe there's no fly zone in that area. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, so we're just going to stay around here. So yeah, we can't fly that high because we're in an altitude zone. So what I want to do, I want to go close to this building. I'm just going to make sure I get a good shot. We can get a nice orbit shot of it. So I droned in Canary Wharf before. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm starting back. I'm just going to explore the local area. Seems like there's a lot of traffic here. Seems like the sun's coming out a little bit more. Really nice shot. I thought of coming here, but I didn't know the altitude zone was going to be this high. I was going to drone in a different area. So I'm going to come back towards the park. And maybe I can exit the altitude zone and I can go a little bit higher. Because I'm not that far from the altitude zone. Let's go north side. So we're going to go a little bit towards it this way. Alright, we're going to exit the zone hopefully, and then we can go a little bit higher. No, I don't think you can go higher. I think once I take off, I'm stuck at 197 feet. So yeah, there's nothing I could do. So unless I take off from this area, then I could. What I could do, I can probably walk towards wherever that place is, and then fly there, take off from there, and then I'm. Because I want to get a higher flight so I can go to more places, because you can't go far when you're low, because essentially my drone will be out of sight of the trees, because my drone's going to go behind the trees, and once it goes behind the trees I'll lose signal as well. So unfortunately I'm just going to fly low. It's actually much better to fly higher because I guess it's the area that I'm flying in, because I'm in an altitude zone. What I could do, I could fly in sports mode and go this way and get a nice shot until we go nearby behind the trees. Once we go a little bit behind the trees, then I'm going to start heading back. So I'm starting to go behind the trees now. I'm gonna have to start heading back. Look how fast we can move. Actually insane. Now we're gonna head back. See, we can't do that much. We can go a little bit over. So, I've seen on Instagram, this guy, he was walking around he did a reel of his drone circling certain places and he made a hyperlapse, an amazing hyperlapse. I'm gonna try to do that right now. So I'm gonna make a hyperlapse starting from orbiting this area. And then I'm gonna carry on. Actually, no, it's quite difficult to make a hyperlapse. That guy was really skilled with the hyperlapse. It's actually insane. It's actually really impressive. Let's get shots of the DLR. See, there's not much to do here when you can't fly that high. I thought of coming here to get a good shot of Canary Wharf, but since I can't go that high, you can see the London skyline, which is amazing. And I can't go too far because then I'll go behind a tree and I'll lose range of the drone immediately. So I can get a shot like that, but that's pretty much it. I don't know where else I can go to get a full shot. Maybe I'll just do a shorter drone flight today and do a longer one some other time. So I'll probably just drain the drone to 50% and then land the drone and then continue the flight. So maybe I can get a shot of the road down ahead. So let's just get a shot. So there's not much to get shots of here. I walk here so I keep range of the drone. Alright, so now I'm here. I can keep range and get a nice shot. Just get a shot of this tower block from a distance. And then we come back. So you can see the traffic. Let's get a shot of this. I've got a clear view of this building as well. Let's get a nice shot. Nice shot of Poplar. Just go a little bit. I'm not that close. Alright, let's start heading back now. So yeah, I don't know what else we can get shots of. Let's just get more shots of DLR. I want to go back towards this area. So I can see the drone, it's going there. So you know what, I'm gonna land the drone now. There's not much shots to get because alright. So yeah, thank you for watching my drone flight. It was an amazing drone flight. I only drained my drone to 50% because there's not much to film here because I couldn't fly that high. So anyway, I'm gonna end the drone flight. Thank you for watching.